Craving something quick that hits like a street food stir-fry, even on a quiet night at home? We're making Basil Pork Stir-Fry. Fast, fiery, and full of flavor. Inspired by Pad Krapao, Thailand's famous basil pork dish that's bold, spicy, and full of heat. Start by making the sauce. Soy sauce, dark soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and a touch of brown sugar. Give it a good stir until the sugar dissolves. This is your flavorful base. Next, let's start cooking. Add a bit of oil to your wok and heat it over medium-high until it shimmers. Toss in the garlic and chili peppers. Stir just until fragrant, about 15 seconds. You'll smell that spicy aroma right away. Add the shallots and give everything a quick stir, about 30 seconds, just to soften them. Now, add the ground pork. Break it apart as you go, flipping and stirring so it mixes evenly with the garlic and chili. Keep cooking until the pork turns from pink to brown and you start seeing those golden, caramelized edges. Once it's beautifully browned, pour in the sauce. Flip and stir, flip and stir. Let that rich, savory sauce coat every piece of pork. Keep it moving for about 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly and clings to the meat. Now, turn the heat down and toss in a generous handful of basil leaves. Give it a few quick stirs, just enough for the basil to wilt and release its fragrance. That's it. This super easy basil pork stir-fry is fast, fiery, and full of flavor. To take it up a notch, let's add a fried egg. Add a bit of oil to the wok and heat it over medium until it shimmers. When the oil starts to sizzle, crack in an egg and let it cook in that hot oil for about a minute. The edges will turn crispy and golden, while the yolk stays rich and runny. Now let's put it all together. Scoop a bowl of hot white rice, top it with generous spoonfuls of basil pork stir-fry, and crown it with that crispy fried egg. That's it. A complete meal that's easy, delicious, and so satisfying. Break the yolk, let it run into the sauce. That golden richness mixing with the spicy pork. It's simple, comforting, and full of life.